My people, guess what we have today? I'm not going to speak much. This is what we have for today. The Toyota AYGO Trend TSS VVTi Auto. There's it. Very beautiful car, very ideal first car, very beautiful. Ideal car for going to the market and city run around. There's what I have for today. Toyota AYGO TSX CVT. Look at those alloys and the combination. $120 miles, and this thing is a small car, but it drives very well. That's it. Drives very well. Beautiful, ideal first car. So let's check out the interior as well. There's a very smart interior, all plastic, plus the body panel, color-coded combination. That's it, a simple car, very simple seats and clothes as well. AYGO plate. When you come to the back too, the same simple car, 2 adults at the back. Yeah, and the boot space. That's it. Very small car. What's this? Okay. There, guys. And this one is it comes with a variable CVT Auto with paddle shift as well. Yeah, simple car. Run around. Let's check out the engine. Let me start it first. And this comes with Apple Play. Very simple, everything is simple on it. And the bonnet release is in here on the passenger side. Very simple car with just a 1.0 engine producing 70 horsepower. But I love this thing, and Toyota, reliability is the key to using a car. And for a small car like this, oh, trust me, the 1.0 engine, 9.99 cc. And this one is 2021 model. 0 to 60 in 14.5 seconds. So guys, let's take it for a drive. Toyota AYGO Trend, Toyota AYGO X Trend TSX, 70 horsepower, guys. So let's go for a ride. Look at that, very beautiful combination diamond cut alloys all around. Let's take it for a drive. So guys, as I said, let's take it for a drive. And as I said, the power of this thing, the horsepower is just 70 horsepower. 0 to 60 in 14.7 seconds. But it's a lovely car, very, very reliable. Everybody who knows these Toyotas knows what I'm talking about. So let's go. Yeah, as I said, I've driven this for almost 120 miles just to do a review, and this thing drives very well for a small car, and it doesn't consume fuel. Yeah, for a 1.0 liter car, you know. Yeah. So all that I would say is, if you are considering a small city mini for daily run around, this Toyota AYGO, this particular one is a 2021 model, and it costs about 13 to 14,000 with low mileage. This has just clocked 14,000 miles, so you can get one of these 14,000 miles for about 12 to 13,000. Yeah. So guys, yeah, it's a beautiful car by our standard. So that's all that I will say. It drives very well. It's a Toyota, so you know, it drives very well, very reliable, no issues. Yeah. So if you are looking out for a small city mini car or daily run around, do consider one of these. The AYGO X Trend TSS is the name. 70 horsepower. So guys, with this, I will give the AYGO a 9 out of a 10 for a small car. It is a good small car. Right, so let me leave you here and see you on the next video. And please don't forget to share and also subscribe as well. Bye bye.